Yada say Samu Akwaba be more chained over Badwam TV, Badwam Jumade, so Yada Apostle Dr. Nita Kutegwase, and in Cranshan Sama would have bread, Yadu Sonia Cassie, and some of the Obati Mubini IGP, dear two jars are posted for 5,000 dear. Or more at the Begum Akwatia by election at Becosono, San Samno, and a drip for whom some near the Bros Adom TV, Badwam Cassie, Facebook, like it, now comment it, share. And so, if I'm my Facebook, /Adom TV extra, Oko Go TV, a channel near 119, DSTV 280, Oko YouTube, I will search here, Adom TV Tube, nakwadomonline.com, and Semini Sembebre Ewoho, Media Fear, Amankwa, Tamaklo. A fear any demiente said, and some niche more Ankasa etie. National Organizer Adoma MPP Henry Nanabuache, Deputy Director of Elections, my NDC Rashid Tanko Computer said, name. Omemo post sahine owura Christian tetenyehunu e de ato amanyokuo ne Ghana de hye nyina anim se by election na ye hwe anim September bosome de toso mienu no abambofo be 5,000 de ombeto omo agum.
Akwatia by election ebe koso nintino Inspector General of Police IGP ene eye amanyoko ema MPP NDC ne amanyoko ahodo ehiem Electoral Commission enso ka ho enhyemu a womo koye ne se womo ehwese banbo ho nsem ebe ko ne nimpa e wa bato ebe koso no na bra dwumedie no ebe na wiye no Adom News in Central for ene openimpa a ono ne da Electoral Services ano e wo Electoral Commission eye Benjamin Bano bio etwetwe nkomo no kira Electoral Commission womo aya ho boa pa
enioma ehia de elections ni nyina ewie den saka achina ne ye share ballot paper printing no any declaration of resource forms no
ode ni nsem etudwa ewie no ye sanso ne eye amanyoko NDC womo Deputy Director of Elections eye Rashid Tanko Computer etwetwe nkomo wono de okira owarehyimu pa e wonsem a IGP di tudwa se nyame yadoma eye Akwatia by election ebe koso no aposifo ebe born no modern pa.
So telling them they need to beef up security and make sure that the fact that you are a former minister or a former MP or a MP, if you don't have accreditation, you have no business at the polling stations. And then also made it easy to make sure that they post the results at the end of the collation. I mean, so we're clear in our mind. The police have given it all the assurance. But they were also worried about some arrests that our former, this and our current Deputy General Secretary made a statement that former appointees will be arrested at Akwatia. They raised it there and were surprised why should they bring it to this place, because our Deputy General Secretary didn't say the police will arrest. He said they will be arrested.
National Organizer Emma MPP Amanyoko no a nso ebepiem wo nhyiemu nase no Nana Boache enso edi tudwa se
Ablukumanov ensem ni bu he koso amoa ehwe nkofo meye to trust ne ade ebisi na yenya nche omo nti yenhwe ne yenche sa nkofo ni nyina omo be deploy nipa 5,000 ye hia soldier fo bia o ye hia military ye hia obia o omo so mo abetimi ayo madwuma eti so far ye hwe omo ne ombe no ba ye dia cash omo se yen die ne esi Ablukumanov no ye bebo ye ho ban tawo person to nsafro obi na no be discuss enya Akwatia na okoto aba no nobody if omo per problem say Ghana police omo person here so omo per problem omo try sa de no
meeting at the Prince Owusu Esiedu Adom News.
National Drip Coordinator Yenil Ante Vanderpool na wose na enokrebie nimu se drip machines no yeso wo nyina nko emfa nko Regional Coordinating Council ahodo na ebrenso na fe yencheche ma assembly so no yamane boni ya wo bono mantam ne mo Christian oforikuma etwaso
ya ye kan Ghana the Democrat agri graphica ye hu headline story BSA bring all machines to RCC declared national coordinator enye no kreda men kan be bia say ye fa machines in Regional Coordinating Council and men kan be bia because enye adwuma because ade no kabo mfaso ne so na say odi machine ko si Regional Coordinating Council no pass machine ko ye adwuma wo kura bia se after the soa na de akọ eye adwuma wi a ya sai soa de aba the next day sakoya na asoa de kwa na sesa na be no nti enye saa na e ka no
enrichi no mensina crachin penifo wi no mpi adwumadi na senso de nsem sei ene tudwa
grape machine no German South for ye japade nya de abebefa ba free German South di akba region da ewo ho a ye japade enti me ka kire o mo se omunya abotre na very soon ye benya operators na ya hwe kwan a ye befa so di fuel so agum se be ya ye be hya ase animu ya na ye de yi akwan ama mfudie no atimi aba na omo wo o de sen kronketuam no so no omo badwa
with this training, especially with the various district and municipal coordinators, as group coordinators, I am begging them and pleading, say, they make a very judicious and good use of these drip machines.
Apomde so for kwabna minta kando de na woche ba ko si ho se onye nhwehwemu mfa de koso wo Greater Accra Regional Hospital ma wi akire doctor ne ya nurse fo bi ye de ensakeka wo mo no enye nhwehwemu mfa ho
nti ye hwehwem mate bason ku a committee nipa be num a lawyer ni ba ko ka ho medical doctor ni ba ko ka ho nurse ni ba ko ka ho HR ni ba ko ka ho and auditor ni ba ko ka ho 5-member committee be hwere nsem nim na de the bebre so ahwe so na inform you and going forward and then 9 ba ko so the crime aspect and so suppose for so di omudwuma
Poswa for the to just say on ankasa hyeda ebo anan ekopi mo yaresabie ho ne apomodin adwuma efu bi ekodi enkomo a ana wo nyina no ode no ba nsem ekode ama wono mo se
yehu se na security ho no e wo se ye hyemu kana nti omo internal security no mo mo hyemu kana ye ne apose for so edin sa wo so se omo so deploying crofo e wo ho mekohwe nurse ni nso a yebo no nso mekohwe no na enya de was a source so o man mu se Akwatia resabia na o fi se nurse ni bia na doctor ni bia aya de a wo mpenti no na o de mra ahye wonsam se okobo nurse ni enya de a ye be so
Nti Ghana Medical Association so ede kokoba to ho no mu sei ene ye beye won mu adwumayefo dia ene wanhwa wo beja adwuma no ede ato ho.
Somebody needs to start doing something. So who is in charge, bro? No, I mean this is not needed. This is not needed. Let's just do the right thing. Somebody should just be inactive. Somebody should call somebody. Somebody should come and attend to somebody. That's it. That is all we are asking for. There should be any sense of agency, please.
Ghana Medical Association de abetudwa se eye womanfo bi a womo call rich aban ayaresabia ene ememu bi ekoho ekodi nsemone no enye ne kwan so kra no GMA President Dr. Frank Sribo ene ni General Secretary Dr. Richard Selome akasafa ye anamonto a womanfo etuye no womo ede ato eye aposifo enim se intempara womo enhwe no muntu so anamo anya sade a adwuma womo eye ewa ayaresabia awodo no eyade a womo twa sankra esanse womanfo edwuma womo eye ewo ho no womo ban bo ho nsem esuakra GMA asan ede ato rich ayaresabia no empenifo enim se womo hwe se womo beye sanse mu enhwehwemu pa na womo ensan ema womanfo medical ene psychological support eye edwumafo a womo ewo ho womo san de ato mpenifo enim se womo hwe se ban bo ho nsem womo bepejem se ne bebo ama ayarehwe akonenim ewo ho.
Adom TV Badwam kase na uguso no na Deputy Chairperson ma Right to Information Commission Elizabeth Asare na ene wose wo muni nipa wo no be ye adwuma se nipa no krampo nso ba akade no wose wo no mo de ye adwuma nso wo mo enibi wo manya mfie num ene woni nsentwefo ati nkoma oti nsemi etudwa.
We do not have the full requisite staff that we need, and that is not because we don't want to have the staff, but because there are processes that we must go by. And if there are no windows open for employment, we can't employ. So we are short of staff. We are not up to scratch when it comes to staff. So that's another challenge that we have. Another challenge we have is logistics. We don't have enough vehicles. We've opened offices outside. We've had to have help from partners to open those offices.
Head of Legal Adom Commission no Stephen Wusu enso de to just say obipi mu man Ghana mu na pe bambo dwumaku a ono ma bi wona pono e de amase o manfo pe ensam obetimi de am pa na sesi e Ghana Police Service a obo ma baso say sesi wono mo bibi emia hodo e wo wono mo atena ya o manfo betumi akọ na nsemi a wono mo ehwehwe no obo ma wono mo nsan etumi aka
say ye fa abambo dwumaku abambo dwumaku na Ghana Police Service edwumaku bi a wo bom ho modern se eba se amanfo etu anamon akobi sansimfo a efiri omo honoma the enimu ne se wo ma sheda officer dedicated officers a RTI correspondence nko a ena omo ye ho adwuma enti amaye hu se sene na complaints ebatia Ghana Police no ekofompa
Children's Support Fund ya mampani John Dramani Mahama te yes yemfa emmo echidoma eye nkwanhie si yema adehye nwotwe no efri mu no yemfa mo awon ma no ya mienimu ne Ghana for ya de make say yes yenya sika no mu be 2 million Ghana cedi
Nano yebekaya ebra mampanyi John Dramani Mahama ejina simpi so wokasa ewo eyi adehye so ema enipa nwotwe wono muti nanano monsedo ewo wono helicopter konya nkwanhie ne mu no wode to just say aban yi abo foto bi ato wode ama enipa nwotwe emofra se ne be ya wonani entutu enka wono munsema obetumi enya emmoa ama wato na disua so ekosi mpempe so wono mankasa epese wode ekokudro na we ena ene ebetumi aka se ne pese foto a wono mo boy ya Stanbic Bank ede 500,000 Ghana cedis edi kan etumuno eni sikana huri akwakudu 2,315,000 Ghana cedis awasa foto no emo senior presidential advisor on governmental affairs and afi coordinator edema fotoi Dr. Valerie Sawyer and the sansem we see etu dwa wo kira wono mo bie foto no mo ede ato se enwumeku and afi ankrankra wo pepa se wonso de wonteku anase sempoa eba beto sa fotoi mu no wo hu akonya se wono mbeba na babaye na sa se enmu kase enwumeku awodo bia wono mo ede wonso kakra kokoto sa fotoi mu ene Procus GH Limited, GB Foods Ghana, Sunda FM Manufacturing Limited, Sage Distribution Limited, Quantum Oil Terminals, Quantum LPG Logistics Limited, New Gas Cylinder Limited, and afi Quantum Terminals PLC. We and Dr. Sawyer to just say oman for person wono so edu won kakra koto fotoi mu betimi ayesa e Stanbic Bank for atena ye bia edin eda fotoi so ene Children's Support Fund 6825.
Yenyano so na Adom TV Badwam kasia na no pe yemfensi ha yeda semre ne adaje a wode maye wadaroma twen yembiem ne yemfa de obonkrata no ne Adom online stories aba no ento so medi yefia amankwa tamaklo